This is so cute. Blake's taking puzzle pieces from the drawer, dropping them off the top of his bed. Oh, is it A? Let me see. What do you have? A? Yeah, good job. Just gotta turn it this way and push. Yay! What's that? B? B. Good job. Gotta turn it. Just push like that. Yay! B. This is B. Good job, buddy. Keep going. You almost got it. Let me help you. Yay. Yeah, you're doing good. Look it. Push. Yay. A. A, right here. Push. Yay, good job. B. Good job. A. Here, you gotta turn it this way. Turn it up. Turn it to the top. Okay. Push. Yay!